So this question you have a look into. Chanakya Academy is registered under GST in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The academy runs the following education institution: Keshav Institute of Technology, a private engineering college in Ghaziabad. KIT also runs distance learning postgraduate engineering program. Exams for such program are conducted in selected cities. So which category institution it is? Category 1 or 2 or 3? It is category 2 because they are providing education as a part of curriculum for obtaining a qualification recognized by law. So therefore it will be coming under category 2 education institution. Category 2 education institution. Then Little Millennium. Little Millennium, a preschool in Lucknow. So Little Millennium preschool will come under category 1. So up to 12th standard. So it will be coming under category 1. And then Bright Minds, a coaching institute in Kanpur. Coaching centers or tuition centers will not come under educational institution. So not an educational institution. And then Spring Model, a higher secondary school affiliated to CBSE board. So it will be coming under category 1 education institution, that is education up to 12th standard. Now what we need to see is that, so they have incurred these expenses, means all these are the inward supplies of the education institution, means this is service provided by education institution or to education institution, to education institution. So printing services for printing the question paper and content is provided by the institution. So this will be taxable. Taxable or exempted. Sir, conduct of examination. Conduct of examination is exempted with respect to all 3 category institutions. But Bright Minds is not a coaching center, not an education institution. Therefore, it will become taxable. Okay. So, conduct of examination by TCS. Yes, it will be coming under exemption. So, conduct of examination, because online exams and all, lot of software when companies are conducting and they collect money for conducting this online exam. So, whatever money that they are collecting will be exempted under conduct of examination. Then, paper procured for printing the question papers. So, this actually it is supply of goods. We don't have any information like in case of supply of goods whether it is taxable or exempted. So, we have not learned, that is not in syllabus. So, therefore, it will be taxable. It will be taxable. Then, honorarium paid to paper setters and examiners not on the rolls of the institution. So, this honorarium which is paid to the paper setters and examiners, so this will be conduct of examination, category 1 exempted. Rent for exam centers taken on rent like schools etc. for conducting examination, that is also exempted. So conduct of examination, but Bright Minds not an education institution, so taxable. Subscription for online periodicals, online educational journals and periodicals, only with respect to category 2 it is exempted, but all other cases it will be taxable. Okay. Then higher charges for buses used for transportation of students and faculty from their residence to the institution and back, only with respect to higher charges, only with respect to transportation of students. So that is category 1 only exempted, but category 2 taxable and not an education institution also taxable. Catering service for running a canteen in the campus for students. So catering services is tax exempted only in case of category 1. So catering can be provided anywhere, that is exempted. But category 2 will be taxable, Bright Minds also taxable. Security and housekeeping services for the institution. So security and housekeeping service, category 1 only exempted. But if you see, Spring Model include a sum of 80,000 payable for security and housekeeping at the student event. So that is not inside the campus, that is outside the campus. So see how much it is, 4,65,000. In this 4,65,000, 80,000 and the remaining amount. So 4,65,000 minus 80,000, that is 3,85,000. So this 3,85,000 will be exempted and this 80,000 will be taxable. 3,75,000 taxable. 4 lakh is exempted, security and housekeeping. 6 lakh will become taxable. Okay. Now, based on this, we need to compute what is the GST payable on inward supplies. What is the rates that we have? The rate of GST on goods is 12%, catering service is 5%, on other service is 18%. So here where goods are there, only in case of this paper it is goods. So therefore here it will be 12%. Okay, here it will be 12%. And wherever catering service is there, so their catering service taxable will be 5%. And all other cases wherever it is taxable, that will be 18%. Okay, if we take that, we will be getting this 2,62,000, 14,400 and these numbers. This is the GST paid on inward supply. And then what they are asking is outward supply, what is taxable? KIT exempted, tuition fee and transportation fee. Yes, any service provided by an education institution to its students, faculty and staff is exempted. So this is exempted, this is exempted, spring model is also exempted. This Bright Minds alone will be taxable. Now as KIT's outward supply is exempted, can they take ITC on inward supply? No. Little Millennium? No. Spring model? No. Bright Minds? Yes, they can take ITC on inward supply, but remember, catering service, so usually outdoor catering, block the credit. So except catering service, remaining they can take ITC and we need to compute the net GST payable for that. Okay. So tuition fee and transportation fee of Bright Minds and ITC, everything available except this 9,000 catering service. So that is the net GST payable.